feeling when you're in a rush and that one thing you need to grab is somewhere in the fridge, but you can't really see it? So you bend and stand and bend and stand and oof. We never signed up for this Uthak Baithak workout. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? One that keeps the workout limited to the gym and your groceries at eye level. Say hello to the LG Bottom Freezer Refrigerator, where the freezer is at the bottom and the fridge comes up, right at the eye level. So now your everyday needs like fruits, veggies and dairy are right where you need them. No more uthak baithak, no more guessing and grabbing. Just enjoy easy access to fresh food every day. With 340 liters of storage, it's perfect for stocking up without running out of space. And guess what? Its 600mm width, which matches the global built-in kitchen standard, is designed to fit perfectly in modern kitchens. This fridge also features a sleek digital panel that makes temperature control easier than ever. So you can set the fridge to just the right temperature with a simple touch, giving you complete control over your food storage. Now, let's take a look at the beautiful interiors. Now what I love most is this fridge is designed to give you more storage than other bottom freezer refrigerators in this segment. So you can easily store your daily needs. I mean, who doesn't love extra space, right? As someone who loves organizing, can you guess what my favorite section is? It's the bigger size vegetable basket, which means I get more space to ensure my veggies stay fresh for longer. Oh, and here's something super practical. Even if the door is open only at 90 degrees, you can still pull out the drawers smoothly. Do you know about LG's exclusive cooling feature? Let me tell you. With Door Cooling Plus, you get evenly distributed cooling across all doors and shelves, so all your food and beverages remain fresh and cool always. Impressed already? There is so much more that you love. With the AI ThinQ app, this fridge connects to your phone, letting you operate easily no matter where you are. And check this out, it's not just convertible, it's Wi-Fi convertible. That means you can switch the freezer into a fridge from anywhere right from the app. So no more holding back on your love for grocery shopping when you can easily get more storage with just a click. But those aren't the only tech-savvy features of the LG Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. This fridge actually learns from you. With LG's Smart Learner feature, it adapts cooling based on your usage patterns, making sure that your food stays fresh while saving energy. And if something ever feels off, Smart Diagnosis helps you identify and troubleshoot issues in no time. But those aren't the only tech-savvy features of the LG Bottom Freezer Refrigerator. Let's not forget how important bright lighting is inside the fridge. Now these LED lights not only increase visibility and keep your favorite snacks in the spotlight, but you can even adjust the brightness through the AI ThinQ app. Enjoy vibrant lighting or a soft, warm light for a cozy feel, depending on your taste. Now, let's talk about something that we all love, savings. Because a great fridge isn't just about space and features, it should be energy efficient too. This 340-liter refrigerator is designed to save more. It consumes less energy compared to other brands which come with a smaller capacity. Moreover, LG's bottom freezer has a 4-star rating, which is the best in the segment. And here's where it gets even better. LG's Smart Inverter Compressor not only makes the fridge super energy efficient, but also ensures long-lasting durability. That means lower electricity bills without compromising on performance and storage. So if you're looking for a refrigerator that's not just smart, but also stylish, efficient, and future-ready, get the LG Bottom Freezer Refrigerator today. Because life's too short for Uthak Baithak.